Today, we also learned charges are expected for former Michigan Governor Rick Snyder and other members of his administration in connection to the Flint water crisis. Attorneys for some of the people involved are now defending their clients after the Associated Press broke that story just this afternoon. Fox 17's Marisa Oberle reports.
New charges pending in the Flint water crisis. The Associated Press reporting Tuesday at least 9 ex-state officials, including former Michigan Governor Rick Snyder and his state health director, Nick Lyon, have been notified they'll face charges following a new investigation and a decision by a grand jury. The nature of the charges has not been made public just yet. In a statement, Snyder's attorney denies knowing of any charges, saying it's quote-unquote outrageous, instead calling this politically motivated, adding, quote, rather than following the evidence to find the truth, the Office of Special Counsel appears to be targeting former Governor Snyder.
Is absolutely and totally outrageous.
Randall Levine represents Richard Baird, a Flint native who advised Snyder during the emergency. Levine's argument is similar to Snyder's attorney. He says he learned of the forthcoming charges Monday, but does not know what specifically his client is accused of.
I have reviewed thousands of pages of documents. This man has done absolutely nothing wrong, and I expect once all the evidence is known, he will be vindicated.
In 2019, the state dropped criminal charges against 8 people, including Lyon, saying all available evidence was not pursued by a previous team of prosecutors. Lyon's attorney also told Fox 17 he does not know of any charges, writing in a statement, quote, if there is any truth to the reports, it would be an absolute travesty of justice. This all started in 2014 when the city switched its water source to the Flint River. Lead contaminated that water and was blamed for a deadly outbreak of Legionnaire's disease during that time. Attorneys representing those residents said, while we can never undo the injustice that occurred, those responsible, including Governor Snyder and those he appointed to oversee the needs of Flint residents, should be held accountable. Marisa Oberle, Fox 17 News.
Well, the AG's office declined to comment on the investigation and forthcoming charges, but says they are working diligently. The AP says the charges are expected to be announced